Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a testimonial slider in Wix. This is a fantastic way to showcase customer feedback and build trust with visitors to your website. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From here, click on Website to proceed to your site management area. Now you'll see a preview of the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the correct website where you want to add the testimonial slider. It's always a good idea to double-check you're working on the right site, especially if you manage multiple websites through your Wix account. Once you've confirmed you're on the right website, locate the Design Site button. You'll find this on the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to editing and customizing your website's design and layout. Clicking on Design Site will direct you to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the real customization happens. From here, look for the Add Element button located on the left navigation menu and click on it. You'll be presented with various elements you can add to customize your website, ranging from text boxes to images and interactive features. From the list of all the elements, locate the option labeled Strip. This is where you'll find pre-designed sections that make adding complex features like testimonials much easier. Under the strip option, you'll see a testimonial section with several designs to choose from. Browse through the listed testimonial designs and select the one that best matches your website's style and branding. Once you've made your choice, simply drag it onto your website canvas. This action places the testimonial slider directly onto your page, ready for customization. Now it's time to personalize your testimonial slider. To customize it, simply click on the image within the testimonial element. You'll see an option to replace it by clicking Change Image. This lets you add a new image that represents the person giving the testimonial, whether it's a customer photo or a logo. Next, change the name and title text to reflect the actual person or company providing the testimonial. Finally, add the testimonial text itself under the designated area. This is where you'll insert the actual feedback or review from your customer. And that's it. You've successfully added a testimonial slider to your Wix website, giving your visitors social proof and building credibility for your business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.